Hello everyone, welcome to class. Welcome to class. This is mathematics class for JSS 1 to 3. This is Learning Based Academy. If you can hear me, type 250 in the chat. If you can hear me, type 250 in the chat. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Amazing, amazing. Welcome to class and thank you for responding. Whenever you're responding in the chat, please make sure you type in your name beside your response. Type in your name beside your response. Say this after me. Every day and in every way, I am getting better and better, wiser and wiser, smarter and smarter, stronger and stronger, greater and greater, richer and richer, healthier and healthier. I am rich in knowledge. I am the best. Go ahead and type I am the best in the chat. Type I am the best. You become what you say to yourself. All right? You will become whatever you say to yourself. So type I am the best in the chat. Everybody type I am the best. Okay, heritage, wisdom, Emmanuel, yes, 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 yes. Adachidera, welcome to class. Yes, keep typing it, keep typing it. Amazing. So let's write today's date on my screen. You have today's date. In your exercise book, please write today's date. Today is Monday, 5th May 2025. All right, so in the last class, we learned how to find mean of some numbers. We spoke about statistics and we spoke about averages, mean. The next one is median, and the third one is mode. All right, so let's talk about median. Median is the middle number. Median is the middle number. Pay attention because at the end of the class, we're going to have a competition between boys and girls. Then we'll say who the winner will be. Median is the middle number in a given set. Median is the middle number in a given set. Now let's look at example. Number one, find the median. Find the median of these numbers. Find the median of these numbers. We have 13, 10, 6, 8, 7, 9, 11. So we have to find the median of these numbers. Now, before you can find the median of a given set of numbers, you need to arrange the numbers in either ascending or descending order. You have to arrange the numbers in either ascending or descending order. So we have a set of number on our screen. Now I'm going to write them out, but while writing them out, I will have to arrange. Type in the chat for me the smallest number. We have 13, 10, 6, 8, 7, 9, and 10. Everybody go ahead and rearrange this number in the comment section. Rearrange these numbers in the comment section. Make sure you type your name beside your response. Rearrange these numbers in the comment section, everyone. Make sure your name is beside your answer. I'm waiting. Yes, I know the smallest is 6. Rearrange these numbers and type them in the comment section. Make sure your name is beside whatever you must have rearranged. Rearrange them. Use a comma to separate the numbers. Thank you, Oka for Chukuka. If that is not your name, always type your name. Always type your name. Okafo, all right? Right, yes, yes, yes. All right, I can see your response, Christine. Response, Desola, Chukudike, okay. Chuka Okafo, you'll be taken out of this class if you don't stop typing. Stop typing now and be rude in our class, all right? Achievements, yes, good job. Mekan, good job. Um, Akushe Wisdom, good job. Okay. All right. So the smallest number is 6 and 13. All right. So let's rearrange 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. So which one will be the middle number? Let's group them in threes. Let's take 3 numbers from the left. We'll take 3 numbers from the right. So the middle number, the number that is left at the middle is the number 9. So the median is equal to 9. All right? The median of the given set of numbers is equal to 9. Now let's move on to number 2. Everybody type the median in the chat. Type the median in the chat. What is the median in the chat? What is the median in the chat? Everybody type the median in the chat. Type the median in the chat. All right, so moving on to question 2. Let's pay attention to the next question. Find the median of these numbers. Find the median of these numbers. 13, 15, 14, 12, 13, 15, 16, 10, 12, 14. Before you can find the median of these numbers, rearrange the numbers. So if we rearrange the numbers, the smallest of all the numbers is 10. So we have taken 10. If we have any other 10, we can take it again. Then the next one is 12. 1, 2. So we have 12 showing up twice. The next one is 13. 1, 2. We have 13 showing up twice. The next will be 14. 1, 2. 14 also showing up twice. The next will be 15. 15 is also showing twice. Then the next will be 16. And that is all. So what will be the median? Let us group the numbers. Let's pick 2 from the left, 2 from the right. Let's pick another 2 from the left, 2 from the right. Now, what do we have left? We have 2 numbers left as the median. Anytime you have 2 numbers left as the median, you add the 2 numbers together and divide by 2. All right? The median is showing us 13 and 14. Add the 2 numbers together and divide by 2. So 13 plus 14 is 27, and 27 divided by 2 will be 13 whole number 1/2, or 13.5. So the median is 13 and a half, or 13.5. I hope you understand. If you understand this median, type 145 in the chat. If you understand median, type 145 in the chat. Type 145 in the chat. Okay, fine. Now, this will be the first VIP question for today. Look at the first VIP question on my screen. Let's see who wins this question, the boys or the girls. Number 1, find the median. Find the median of these numbers. Find the median of these numbers. Let's see who wins this. Now, this first question will attract 5 stars. If the boys win, the boys are stars. If the girls win, the girls are stars. All right? Now, these are the questions, or this is the question. 12, 16, 10, 15, 13, 12, 17, 16. So, post your answer, your name, and your gender. That is your name. If I'm a girl, I'll type girl and I'll type my answer. My name, girl, answer. If you're a boy, your name, boy, and your answer. Go ahead in 10 seconds. post your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to type your gender and your name. Post alongside with your answer. Only those who do the right thing will be qualified for the stars that I'm about to show you. 10. Find the median. Whenever you want to post your answer, type your gender beside your name and your answer. All right? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, so I'm going to call the first 11. Whoever gets the answer right, let's see if it's going to be a boy or a girl. All right, Meccan, boy. Awesome. We have boy, we have girl. So we are calling only the first 11. Meccan is a boy. The boy has it, followed by girl, anointed. That's followed by Michael, boy, okay? Followed by Sarah, girl. Followed by Ferami, male, okay? That's a boy. Chidi, boy. Where are the girls? Followed by, oh my God, boy again. All right. Emmanuel, boy. Wow, 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 wow. Male, Ademide Adejumo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, followed by Uthman. Okay, Uthman didn't send the right answer. Okay, followed by Nisi, girl. Okay, and followed by one more to go. One more to go. Ogunshakin, boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 boys and 3 girls. So the boys have this question. Your answers are correct. 14 is the median. Let's do it together. Arrange in ascending order. That's from the smallest to the highest. So that will be 10, 12, 12, 13, 15, 16, 16, and 17. So you pick 2 from the left, 2 from the right, 1 from the left, 1 from the right, and we are left with 2 numbers at the middle, 13 and 15. So whenever you have 2 numbers at the middle as a median, add them together and divide by 2. 13 plus 15 is 28, and 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14. So the median is equal to 14. Yes, yes, yes. So the boys will be having 5 stars. Don't worry, girls. We still have more time. The next question will come. Then we'll see if the girls will have that particular question. So I like to fulfill my promise. Okay, so I have 5 stars for the boys. It's good to pay attention while the teacher is teaching so you can catch up as fast as possible. All right? So next time, make sure your hands are very fast. Your fingers are very, very fast. So I know you will like them to be in different colors. So here are the stars for the boys. Here are the stars for the boys. Amazing. Now let's move on to learning mode. We have learned mean, we have learned median. Now let's move on to mode. What is mode? Mode is the number that occurs most. This is the number or value that appears most, that appears most in a given set. Value that appears most in a given set. All right? In a given set. So let us see how to find mode. Pay attention. Pay attention. The number that appears most in a given set is called the mode. Now let's see the examples. Make sure you are writing, please. At Learning Based Academy, we write. So number one, find the mode of these numbers. Find the mode of these numbers. So we have 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, and 2. So let us arrange these numbers in ascending order so that we can know the one that appears most. So the smallest number here is 2. How many times does it appear? 1, 2, 3. It appears 3 times, so that will be 1, 2, 3. Then the next number will be 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 is appearing 5 times. Then the next number is 4. Let's say the number of times it appears 1, 2, only twice. Then the last one is 5, which appears only once. Now, the number that appears most here will be the mode. So the mode is 3 because 3 appears most. Look at it. 3 shows up 5 times. So that's why we're going to write 3. The mode in this given set of numbers is 3. It is the one that appears most. Let's look at another question. Number 2. Find the mode. Find the mode of this set. All right, so we have 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2. So it is good and it will be very easy if we rearrange the numbers. So let us rearrange. Let us rearrange. Now, before we rearrange, let me talk to you about our regular classes at Learning Based Online Academy. We have classes for grade 1 to 6. From primary 1 to primary 6, we have classes for students in JSS 1 to JSS 3. So this is how our classes hold. On Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, we have classes for the primary children. That's from primary 1 to primary 6. They have their classes on Friday, on Saturday, and on Sunday. So this is how the classes are being grouped. Grade 1 and 2 always have their classes at 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you have younger ones in primary 3 and 4, their classes hold at 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Friday, Saturdays, and Sunday. 5 and 6, their classes hold at 6 p.m. to p.m. Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And the classes are always interesting in mathematics, English language, and basic science. Now, for JSS 1 and JSS 2 and 3, the classes hold on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. All right. For JSS 1, the time is 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. For JSS 2 and 3, the time is 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. You have the subjects maths, English language, and basic science. And the classes are always interesting. For the students who joined us from the beginning of this year, you can see that you have finished using up your notes, especially in mathematics. You have used up your notes and you already have a new one, or even the new one that you have, you've also used up half of it. The classes are always interesting. We can unmute you during the class. You can ask questions with your voice. Then you can also answer questions while the competitions are going on. Now, these classes are at a discount fee, and the discount fee is 40,000 naira. We are still having 10 more weeks classes for this term. Okay, from this week, like tomorrow we have classes, Wednesday we have classes, Thursday we have classes for junior secondary school students. So make sure you join us. Tell your parents to enroll you. The fee is 40,000 naira for the whole of the term. For others, like I have some students that I can see here, they are already in our online classes. Yes, 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 yes. They are in our online classes and they are here. If Michelle is here, David is here, they are already in our online classes. Victoria is in our online classes. Yes. So Mekan, yes, Mekan is in our regular class. All right. So the rest of you, you have to come on board. Yes, Emmanuel Aledare is also in our online class because he shows up in the class. That's why I can recognize his name. Thrive, yes, Thrive is also in our online class. I can recognize his name right here. So the rest of you, Sarah, yes, Sarah is also in our online class. There are many like that here. So make sure you join us. Adachi Dera is also in our online class. So the rest of you, make sure you join us and expect a massive change in your results, performance this term. All right, so let's continue with number 2. Let us find the mode. Yes, let's arrange these numbers in ascending order, starting with the smallest. 0 is the smallest. 0 appears only once. What about number 1? I can see 1. I can see another guys. What about the number 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is showing 4 times. All right, then let's look at number 3. 1, 2. 3 is showing only 2 times. What about number 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is showing 4 times. 4 is showing 4 times. Now, what is the mode? We can see that 2 is showing 4 times. 4 is also showing 4 times. So we can have 2 different numbers that are showing most in the given set of numbers. So the mode here, the mode is equal to the number 2 and 4. For the mode, you don't add them together. When you have 2 numbers as mode, you don't add them together. We say that the data is bimodal, or this information is bimodal. That is, we have 2 numbers that will be the mode. They are showing at equal times. So 2 is showing 4 times, 4 is also showing 4 times. So this information is bimodal. Don't forget, when an information has 2 modes or 2 numbers showing as mode, we call the information or the data bimodal. I hope that is clear. All right. So now, the next one we want to talk about is range. What is range? When you're being asked to find the range of a given set, The range is the difference. Range is the difference between the highest number or the highest value and the lowest value in a given set. In a given set, all right? The range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value in a given set. So look at this example or these examples. Number one, find the range of this set. Find the range of this set. 4, 6, 8, 7, 3, 1. All right? We want to find the range. Now, to find the range, it is the highest number minus the lowest number. So, highest minus lowest. Let me write it in full. Highest minus lowest. So the highest in this given set of number is 8. 8 is the highest minus the lowest is 1. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So the range is equal to 7. The range is equal to 7. Number 2, find the range of these numbers. 5, 7, 4, 7, 8, and 3. Let's find the range. And to find the range, that will be highest minus lowest value. Highest minus lowest value. The highest is 8. The lowest is 3. That will be 8 minus 3. That's equal to 5. So the range of this set is equal to 5. It is time for VIP question number 2. This time I hope the girls will win. VIP questions. I may decide to ask you to find the mean, but firstly, let's make do with what we have learned in this class. Yes, let's say find the mode. I hope we have lots of girls present here. Find the mode of these numbers. One, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 3, 5. Now, what is the mode of these numbers? I'm going to count down 10 to 0. Type your name, your gender, and your answer. Your name, your gender, and your answer. Your name, your gender, and your answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the mode of these numbers? Okay, so I can see male. What's the mode? I can see male, another male. Another male, male. Then I have a girl. Now I have 4 boys, 1 girl, 2 girls now, 2 girls, 7 boys. Now we have 7 boys. If you repeat the answer, I'm not going to call your name. Now I have 3 girls, 7 boys. 8 boys now. 8 boys, 3 girls. All right, so for this question again, I think we have more boys than girls in this class, right? We have more boys than girls in this class. So everybody is a winner. So the mode is equal to 5 because 5 appears most. 5 appears most. Now, this next question is a general question. Okay, still on what we have learned. Find the range. Let's treat that first. Find the range of these numbers. Find the range of these numbers. 14, 20, 16, 15, 18. So what is the range of these numbers? What is the range? Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest. Let's go. 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Be fast. 3. Post it in the chat. Make sure your gender is there. 2, 1, and 0. What is the range? Amazing, amazing. Okay, Ogunshakin is correct. Anointed, correct. Boy. Michael, Mekan, boy. Making 4 boys. Sarah, girl. Jadiel, girl. So 4 boys, 2 girls. Another girl, making 3 girls, 4 boys. Aisha, girl. Now we have 4 girls, 4 boys. Chioma, girl. 5 girls, 4 boys. Alex, boy. 5 girls, 5 boys. Then Wiz, no, your answer is not correct. Yes, we have boy. Now we have 6 boys. Then Ike, girl. Minus lowest is 20. The lowest is 4 to 6. So the range of this given 6. If you enjoyed this class, go ahead and type 62 in the chat. Go ahead, type 62 in the chat. If you learned mode and or median, mode, and range, type 62. Type 62 in the chat. Awesome. 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 Amazing. Thank you, everyone. So we have come to the end of the class. Don't forget to join our regular classes for a better performance in your academics, especially in mathematics. Thank you all for coming to class today. I'll see you next week. Have a wonderful time. Goodbye.